Recycling is a simple yet powerful act that has the potential to change the world. Every day we generate massive amounts of waste, much of which ends up polluting our environment and threatening the health of our planet. But what if we could turn this waste into something useful? Recycling allows us to give materials a second life, reducing the need for new resources and cutting down on pollution. It's more than just a process. It's a mindset, a responsibility, and a way to protect the earth for future generations. Together, we can make recycling a habit and create a cleaner, healthier world. Now that we understand the importance of recycling as a concept, let's explore why it's so critical for our planet and our future. Why recycle? The answer is simple. Recycling helps us solve some of the biggest challenges facing our planet today. It reduces the amount of waste that ends up in landfills and oceans, where it takes centuries to decompose and harms wildlife. Recycling conserves natural resources like trees, water, and minerals by giving materials a new purpose instead of extracting more from the earth. It also saves energy. Producing new items from recycled materials uses far less energy than creating them from raw resources. Most importantly, recycling helps us fight climate change by reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Every bottle, can, or piece of paper you recycle makes a difference, not just for today, but for generations to come. Knowing why recycling matters is just the beginning. But what can we recycle to make the biggest impact? Let's find out. Recycling starts with knowing what can be recycled. Many common household items can have a second life if we dispose of them correctly. Paper and cardboard, like newspapers, magazines, and packaging, are easy to recycle and can save countless trees. Plastics, such as water bottles and containers, can be turned into new products instead of polluting our environment. Aluminum cans, steel, and glass are endlessly recyclable, meaning they can be reused over and over without losing quality. Even electronic waste, like old phones and batteries, can be recycled to recover valuable materials. By learning what can be recycled and taking action, we can all contribute to reducing waste and protecting our planet. By recycling the right materials, we don't just reduce waste, we unlock powerful benefits for nature itself. Recycling brings incredible benefits to nature. First, it reduces the need for raw materials, like cutting down trees for paper or mining for metals, which helps preserve forests and wildlife habitats. Second, it saves energy. Manufacturing products from recycled materials requires far less energy than starting from scratch, reducing pollution and greenhouse gas emissions. Third, recycling helps protect our air and water by keeping waste out of landfills, where it can release harmful toxins. Finally, it promotes biodiversity by maintaining the balance of ecosystems. Every time we recycle, we're not just reducing waste, we're giving back to nature and helping it thrive. Nature benefits from recycling in countless ways, but plants in particular are in desperate need of our help. Our plants are calling for our help. They are the silent heroes of our planet, providing us with oxygen, food, and shelter. But pollution and waste are threatening their survival. By recycling, we can protect the soil they grow in from harmful toxins and reduce the deforestation caused by excessive paper production. Imagine a world where trees stand tall, flowers bloom brightly, and crops thrive without the burden of pollution. Recycling is a simple act, but it has the power to give plants the clean, healthy environment they need to flourish. Let's take action today for our plants, our planet, and our future. Our plants rely on us to protect them, but this is only one piece of the bigger picture. Together, we can protect our entire environment. Together, we can protect our environment and create a healthier, more sustainable future. Every action, no matter how small, has a ripple effect. By recycling, reducing waste, and reusing materials, we take a stand against pollution and overconsumption. Our planet is our home, and it depends on us to keep it clean and thriving. Imagine a world with cleaner air, clearer waters, and greener forests. This is the future we can build together. When we join forces and commit to protecting the environment, we're not just helping nature, we're securing a better life for ourselves and future generations. Let's act now, together. By joining forces to protect our environment, we're creating a legacy of care and responsibility. Every effort counts, and together, we can make a lasting difference. Recycling is more than just a habit. It's a promise to care for our planet. Every piece of waste recycled is a step closer to cleaner oceans, fresher air, and a greener earth. The choices we make today will shape the world of tomorrow. So let's all take responsibility, one small action at a time. Together, we can create a future where nature thrives and resources are preserved. Thank you for being a part of this journey toward a sustainable planet. Remember, change begins with you. Let's make it count. وبناء على ذلك فهذا المشروع هو ثمرة العمل الجماعي والإبداع. تم إنجازه تحت إشراف الأستاذة عائشة غضبان، حيث قام التلميذ مصيبح عبد الرحيم بإنجاز الفيديو بمساهمة إضافية من باقي التلاميذ عبد الرحمن وحدو، وسام عقاب، وارسلان فلق. عملنا معا لرفع الوعي حول إعادة التدوير وأهميتها من أجل مستقبل أفضل. هذا ليس مجرد فيديو، إنه رسالة من الطلاب إلى العالم تظهر أن التغيير يبدأ بالتعليم، التعاون والعمل.